Okay, this is at Frank's Park. As you can see, there's my son Cole, and this is near our house, and they are just about completed with the Clover Groff stream restoration, phase 1, as you can see. Part of, and basically they are taking a creek that runs along that tree line all the way down to that tree.
Putting all the dirt in and filling it up, and then they're making new parts of the creek.
Yes, it was a creek that was, since it was farmland, just ran straight along that tree line, and now they are turning it back into a more natural look.
And they're planting over 1,000 plants for the
so we're going to go take a look at it for you. Alright, here's some of the equipment they used.
I'm using that piece over there with the bulldozer, file up the piles along the tree line, and that saw to cut down into the new parts of the creek.
Basically, the project was to fill in the old creek bed and create a new creek bed. There's just some of the dirt that they piled up out of the creek. There's another mound in the distance down there. And all this dirt out here we just crossed. It's all got hay on it to grow new grass on it.
This is part of the old creek, which is what they filled up at the other part that we showed you. And that goes to the Big Derby watershed.
So we're walking up alongside where the old creek bed was. Again, this is all the dirt that they removed from the new creek bed, piled over here. There's Elvis.
No.
Elvis. Elvis.
Elvis, come here. Come here.
Here you can see the new creek bed, one of the bends they made in it, feeding into briefly where the old creek was. Following the old creek bed for a little bit. This is a good look at what they're trying to do here. Again, there's the old creek bed down the tree line. And then they've made sort of a meandering stream pattern over here. Tried to make it more like a creek than a drainage ditch, I guess. Alright, getting closer to our house now, and this is again the new creek. As you can see, winds back and forth into here.
Dad, I say.
Get out of there! And it's still muddy. So here's another good view of where we started up that end. And the creek cuts back through here and winds and meanders towards the tree line over there, which is the golf course it goes through on the other side of those trees.
Yep.
But it's a pretty little project to make this area by our subdivision better, I think. Instead of just a little ditch, it's now going to eventually have a creek. Alright, so here we are in the old creek. And this part of it, it looks like they're going to maybe turn into a path of some sort, or not sure. Maybe just let it grow again. There's coal, and it goes back down that way.